Thomas Kwoyelo is charged with 93 counts of war crimes and crimes against humanity. The court says it is committed to running the trial until its conclusion.
My prayer, the projection, but I don't want to be quoted on this, that we can conclude this case next year.
Evans Ocheng, one of Kwoyelo's defense lawyers, said the delays in concluding their client's trial is not only frustrating the victims but also compromising of Kwoyelo's health.
He has spent over 10 years in a jail in remand. So we think that justice is being delayed for him, and that delay is impacting on him because he's in prison. He doesn't know whether he's a convict or he's not a convict. He doesn't know if he's a convict when he will be coming out of jail. So it is a concern to us, and we are raising it with them every day.
Meanwhile, Michael Lakonyi, a victim of arrest in 1990 by Thomas Kwoyelo while in the bush, says the delay to conclude Kwoyelo's case is purportedly a move by the government to wreak pain to the hearts of the victims, yet many of the witnesses have now died and others' lives are in an appalling state.
I would say the delay will purportedly move to allow the special court just keep on mincing the taxpayers' money. Because when they say not there, and yet all the staff have already been recruited to prosecute the matter put in place. Maybe they are only seeing there's one suspect. How can they fail to try one suspect?
However, Komakech Henry Chilama, a lead counsel for the victims, faults court for the delay in completing the case and says he is now working on the strategy to look at the psychological support and their health while waiting for the case decision.
And we only pray that this case goes on expeditiously. But as victims counsel, I'm also trying to get strategies of trying to get some relief in the interim while the case goes on. Because some people are supposed to have medical treatment, so they need to get some money. Without a guilty verdict, we can still do something to make sure that they get preparation, some kind of assistance in terms of medical treatment, in terms of some psychological support, you know. So that's what I'm trying to do as a counsel of victims.
Thomas Kwoyelo is charged with 93 counts of war crimes and crimes against humanity, alleged to have been committed in Pakak internally displaced people's camp in Amuru district between 1993 and 2005.